In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Square account to your Etsy account. First, sign in to your Etsy account and go to Shop Manager. From there, click on Finances, then select Payment Settings. This is where you manage how your shop handles payments both online and in person. Next, look for the option related to Square or in-person selling. Etsy allows you to connect a Square account so you can accept payments at markets, pop-up shops, or physical locations while keeping your inventory synced with your Etsy shop. Click Connect with Square, and you'll be redirected to the Square login page. Enter your Square account details and sign in. If you don't already have a Square account, you can create one during this step. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Square and Etsy. Review the permissions, then approve the request to continue. Once connected, your Etsy listings will sync with Square, allowing you to sell the same products in person. Your inventory will update automatically when items are sold. To make sure everything works correctly, test a small transaction and check if it appears in your Etsy orders. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.